In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Instagram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first up Instagram up. Then right here top at your profile picture. Then hit as 3 lines and select QR code. That will show you your QR code. And right from here, you can share your profile. You can top at that share profile bottom, and then select the way you want to share your profile. Link with someone. Let me find out the Telegram here. I can just hit at more. I guess to find that Telegram app. And then I can adjust. Send my Instagram profile link to save messages. In that way, or right from here, you can copy the link to your Instagram profile directly to your clipboard. To do that, just hit copy link. That copy is linked to the clipboard. Now you can hop out Instagram and let's open up Telegram app. And then get in the saved messages. As you can see, there is a link that I have just forwarded. And then let me paste the link that I have just copied. As you can see, there are the same links. Now anyone can tap at that link to open up your Instagram profile. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.